If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. If you have not yet, hit that sub button. Go ahead, hit that sub button. I'm trying to grow. That way I can end up getting giveaways and hell, doing more with YouTube, connecting with my viewers. I actually play games with most of my subscribers. I got videos with a lot of them if you come check them out. Also, I'm dropping merch. This is Shanilla Vanilla Gang merch, Bob Loud merch mixed into one. I'm a rapper / content creator, so we doing SVG for Shanilla Vanilla Gang. I hope you like it, but this is some pictures of the merch. We got a hat, SVG, you know, repping game. We got socks, which is my favorite personally. Then we got a book bag, or whatever you want to call it. I mean, you could put anything in here. Hell, you getting ready to run away from home, you getting ready to do something dumb, just grab a Bob Loud backpack. Nobody's gonna question you what's in that bag. We also got shirts and phone cases. Shirts, I like the shirts. I rep it, you know, rep game. If you like Bob Loud, go ahead, get a shirt. Everything's a little expensive, I ain't gonna lie. But if for the right price, you know, we get stuff done. Thank y'all for tuning in to this video. If you like any of this merch, feel free to buy it. And if this is your first time tuning in, go watch some of my videos. Yeah, by the way, I'm the plug. Say your ass down to stop acting like a thug, cause I bust 50 rounds from this motherfucking drum, going loud and I'm smoking on the pound, hit the ground, cause a man from the west tried to lay my ass